Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to redeem a Ticketmaster gift card. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is to get your gift card ready. So ensure you have a Ticketmaster gift card and its PIN code handy. The PIN is typically found on the back of the card and may need to be scratched off to reveal it. And now from here, you want to sign in or register to the Ticketmaster website, which is ticketmaster.com. And then you want to select your event. So browse for the event you want to attend and select your tickets. Then from there you want to proceed to the checkout. So once you have selected your tickets, click on buy or checkout. And then on the payment page, look for gift card section, enter the gift card number and PIN in the provided fields. Apply the gift card. So click up on apply to apply the gift card balance to your purchase. And then if the gift card balance covers the entire amount, you can complete your purchase. If there is a remaining balance, you'll need to pay the difference using a credit card or another payment method. Once you've done, review your order details and confirm your purchase. And there's some additional tips that I'd like to say. So you can check your Ticketmaster gift card balance by visiting the Ticketmaster gift card balance page. And I'll show you how to find that. So go to Google and type in Ticketmaster gift card balance page. And then click on how do I check the balance on my Ticketmaster gift card. So click on that. And then you want to, where it says how do I check the balance, there's a link here where it says you can check your gift card balance online by visiting our gift card balance check. So click onto that. That will redirect you to a different site called sites.prepaytech.com. So put in your card number and PIN and then click on proceed. So if we go back here, this is from help.ticketmaster.com. Yeah, and just click on that link. And also, if you have multiple Ticketmaster gift cards, you can use them in succession during the checkout process as well.